Good night, dump truck. Good morning, big trucks. Ready to move earth and clay? Are we ready to share a wonderful day? Good morning, hardy machine operators. Hello, mighty bulldozer, moving tons of earth. Hello, excavators, digging in the dirt. Harvest that wheat for all to eat, combine harvester. Howdy, farmers. Some trucks are used on farms to carry delicious foods like watermelons. Good afternoon, paver, laying new asphalt on the road. Greetings, grapple skidder, lifting giant logs in the forest. It's nice to see you, cement mixer, pouring the foundation of a new home. Hi there, mechanic. Have you ever seen a tire as big as that? Hello, crane and giant ball, smashing that old building to pieces. Wow, there's so much going on at the construction site. Here comes a super dump truck. It carries tons of weight. Sometimes big trucks need to ride on a lowboy. Go, wheel trencher, cutting through the earth so we can lay pipes and wires in the ground. Let's watch the suction excavator pull dirt out from the bottom of a deep hole. Good evening, giant machines and trucks digging in a gold mine. Good evening, all-wheel drive haulers. You love to go off-roading. Good night, snowcats grooming the ski trails. Good night, snow plows helping to keep the winter roads safe while we sleep. Good night, hard-working dump trucks and amazing machines. Thank you for sharing a wonderful day.